cleaning Samsung tap. So let's remove this. Put it to the side. You can use a flat or just like that. So it's not bad, but we have something here. Need to be clean definitely. So when you put it on self-clean, always take that part off. Okay. One more time and we're done with this one. As you can see, those are not there, so those are good during the time discoloration. Alrighty, just like that. Thank you. So you spray it out. So I explained, this is not bad. It was maybe gonna be totally dirty, but still, I'm just gonna clean it. Then, so you can use one of these. It's take you, maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Just put it back. So that helps you to clean your washer once a while, and end of the cycle, so you're not gonna get those kind of dirty stuff under the tap. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.